Splish, splash. Heavy rain. You want to drive slow, keep control. Notice the tractor trailer uses his four-way flashers. Stay cautious. Be alert. Be prepared. Be aware. Pump your brakes after going through heavy puddles. I take driving in these storms very seriously. School bus! Oh yeah, I get excited when I see another school bus on the road. Hydroplaning! Yeah, we all riding on the water. Take a look into my student crossing mirror and you'll see all the water as we splash. Splish, splash. But we ain't taking a bath. We out here taking our time. Notice my following distance. I have a safe cushion between me and the vehicle in front. I am prepared to stop. Four-way flashers up there. I love the caution with these drivers today. We are hydroplaning safely. Smooth drive-by. More splash. Beautiful footage. Great day. No storm gets in my way. I seem to be catching most of the lights too. Four-way flashes up there. School bus! Oh, this is a great day.